What's up, guys? Welcome back to our Burnout Bobby YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going over my brake setup. I've had a lot of you over the last year ask me about my brake setup for my front brake, what I have, what's involved, where can I get the parts. So we're going to go ahead and go over that. It's going to be a quick video. I'm going to have all of the links for these parts in the description. So if you are looking for a link for one of the parts for my brake kit, it's in the description. Nobody checks the video descriptions anymore, so I gotta make sure that you know to check the description. Links will be in the description. If you're looking for the links, they're gonna be in the description. Just so you know. So right away, let's get into this brake setup, take the camera off the tripod, get you rolling. So the first thing that everybody always asks about is the master cylinder. They love the flush master cylinder and how clean it is. It is a billet master cylinder, so it's not like a pot metal or anything like that. It's pretty solid. With that, this is from a company called Hog Halters. Is their front brake master cylinder. It's 6061 billet. It's their sleek model. This cylinder, master cylinder, costs, let me see here, $290. So for the master cylinder alone, you're looking at about $290. From there, you have this straight banjo fitting. And what it does is it has a little crush washer inside of it. That goes to this very thin PVC style line. I believe they call that the sniper. We'll go over to the wheel here where I have it running down with the loom. It's going to go to an M10 by 1.25. It's a banjo fitting that has a brake pressure switch built into it. And then off the brake line, you see a straight fitting going to the Adelin master cylinder. So we went over the master cylinder. You also are going to need a reducer for that. The reducer from Amazon in the link is $6.99. Then you're going to need if you don't already have the Adelin front disc setup, you'll go with the Adelin big brake kit. There is one that the Ruck Shop sells without the master cylinder. That's what I bought, and that's currently $260. So that comes with the rotor bolts, the adapter, and the caliper, which I painted yellow, as you can see. The next thing is going to be the hydraulic pressure switch, which is that one right there. That one is about $14 on Amazon. The banjo fittings, excuse me, I'm just going through my phone while I'm reading this off to you guys. Sorry, so the line itself comes in like a 12-foot section. Oh, sorry guys. So that line itself that goes up to the master cylinder there, that one is $46 for the line, and that was the cheapest that I could find it. The banjo fitting that comes out of the master cylinder right there, that one is about $21, and then I believe it is a similar price for the lower one there. And then that is my front end kit setup. Again, links are in the bio, so if you are looking for it, it's there. This will be everything you need to mock my front end setup. To have that clean look. You can cut the line as long as you want. And you're paying for the quality here. I grab this. It catches really soon. So it does a really, really good job, especially with the Adelin Ford piston setup. I know this is a quick video, but there was a lot of you messaging me for it, so there it is. That's my front end setup. The back, a lot of you guys already know, I have the TRS rear foot brake. I modified it so that I could fit onto the rear set. This way I could clear my side skirts, and then just ran the brake cable up back to the drum brake setup. The bike's not that fast. I don't need disc in the rear. That's kind of just like a flex factor. I feel like the front end is flexing enough as it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any more questions about this, let me know. And good luck with it if you're trying to copy it. Show me pictures, tag me in it, let me see.